Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how you can create thumbnails for YouTube Kids channel. Let's start our video. First of all, you need to select the size or you can select from here thumbnail. Otherwise, you can select the customized size 1280 by 720. Now I will select YouTube thumbnail. Resolution. Suppose I need to create a thumbnail for my vegetable learning videos for my own YouTube channel. So I will create the thumbnail like this. First of all, I go to elements and select like vegetables. I will select this graphic for the background. Line sketch, you can also say that reduce the opacity. Now I need text, write a text, change the font. I will write meanwhile here vegetables. I have selected this above, increase the size of the font, go to effects, outline, the black outline, internal color, green, letter spacing. I will increase the letter spacing. Like this. Now I need the vegetables click on layers, show layers behind the tomato. You can add more like brinjal, peas. Now I need to search face animation, see all. Here is the different types of faces, so I will apply that. Faces over there. Flip horizontal to this side. Now change the color to orange and place over. Now you can change the background color as well. You will change it to dark green like this, any colors you want like this. In this way you can create attractive thumbnails for your learning videos. If you like the video, then obviously subscribe my channel, share my videos and like video. In the similar way you can create fruits, alphabets this time. In my next videos I will show you how you can create thumbnails for kids learning videos on various topics. Allah Hafiz, till my next video.